Deep in the heart of the Scottish Highlands, where the morning mist drifts between silent mountains, stands a tiny home that radiates peace. This isn't just a house, it's the realization of a simple dream: to live closer to nature and further from the noise of the world. Welcome to modern tiny house perfection in the Scottish Highlands. From a distance, it looks modest, a black timber structure with wide glass windows reflecting the soft light of the loch nearby. But as you walk closer, every detail feels alive. The natural wood, the local stone foundation, and the green roof blend seamlessly with the landscape, as if this house grew from the land itself. Step inside, and you're greeted by natural light flooding every corner. A small yet open living space, a minimalist kitchen, and a cozy loft bedroom. Everything feels perfectly balanced. Every inch has purpose. Every corner tells a story. Here, the art of small living becomes something truly grand. This tiny home lives completely off-grid. Solar panels provide the energy, rainwater is collected and reused, and every material has been chosen with care for the planet. Its philosophy is simple: live light on the earth and rich in meaning. This is beauty you don't just see. It's beauty you feel, in the stillness, in the simplicity, in the way it connects you to the world around you. As the sun sets behind the Highland peaks, the tiny house glows softly, a symbol of peace and balance. In a world that moves so fast, this place reminds us that true happiness doesn't always come from having more. Sometimes it's found in less, in smaller spaces, slower moments, and deeper breaths. I'm Tom, and this is modern tiny house perfection in the Scottish Highlands that are around you.